creative decorating ideas with branches to bring nature into your home. Nature makes the best interior. Let's begin. Branch bookshelf. Embrace the beauty of asymmetry with a branch bookshelf. Mount a large, forked branch on your wall, and use the natural ledges to display books, plants, and small decorative items. Branch room divider. Design a unique room divider using a collection of vertical branches. Secure them between the floor and ceiling, or within a frame. This natural partition is simple and modern. Framing some branches. There are many ways to decorate the walls of your home, but if you want something that's truly unique, consider framing some branches. You can pick out some that look a bit distinctive from one another so each stands out. Add brightness with lights and white birch branches. A wall-mounted displays. It is unique and sure to inspire. Rustic floor lamp. For those of you looking for outstanding lighting, try your hand at these wood or driftwood floor lamps. Create a stunning focal point with a DIY branch chandelier or a warm and rustic glow. Branch plant hanger. Suspend plants from the ceiling using a sturdy branch as a natural rod. Hang macrame plant holders or small pots from the branch to create an indoor hanging garden that adds greenery to your space. Photo frames. Give your photos a natural touch by creating picture frames from thin branches. Arrange twigs and securing them with glue. Branch a chandelier with candles or lights. Hang branches from your ceiling using hooks and fishing line. Suspend ornaments, lights, or candles from the branches at varying heights. Twig mirror frame. Elevate a plain mirror by surrounding it with an array of twigs and small branches. Attach them to the mirror's frame using a strong adhesive for a nature-inspired accent piece. Twig vases. Give plain vases a natural makeover by gluing small twigs vertically. Twisted corkscrew willow branches. These sculptural branches look gorgeous, styled in a large vase on their own, or mixed with other dried flowers.